No, Sue, you must be kidding me! And these are just special effects.
Sammy, believe me, it is possible to make an animation yourself. You only need to figure out the process.
Oh! No problem with that. I like figuring things out.
I'm happy to see you so enthusiastic, Sammy. Right, I need to get everything ready. I think I've got some thick cardboard.
And me? What should I bring?
Bring me some skewers and, yes, a small plastic tube.
I'll be right back.
Well, let's get started. Right, this is our base material. And these are the tools we need. Hi guys! Today, Sam and I will be making a flipbook animation machine. Have you ever tried drawing simple animations in a notepad? Give a thumbs up if you have.
Here, Sue! I found the skewers, though now we can forget about kebabs. These are all the skewers we've got.
It's all right, Sammy. We'll restock later. What about the tube?
Like this?
Oh no, Sammy. That's a drinking straw. I'll get one myself later.
Sue, I think I understand how to assemble the machine, but where do all the pictures come from? And how to put them together?
Well, I think I understand, though we'll need to work on that. Right, let's assemble the base of the machine, and then we'll figure out how the pictures work.
Let's begin!
First of all, we'll make the bottom part. We need to measure a rectangle 23 by 13 centimeters and measure strips 2 centimeters wide inside the rectangle. And cut them off. Remember to be careful.
I always remember. That's why I delegate this dangerous work to you, Susie.
I don't even know if I should be happy or sad about that. Right, the parts are ready. Now I need to glue them together. I've been wondering if our viewers use hot glue. Pause the video and reply. Do you use a hot glue gun? Are you careful when working with it?
And I'll read your comments later.
I like working with hot glue. It's so strong. You can glue anything with it and even make a piece you need. And it's just mesmerizing. And we need to glue this piece of flexible cardboard on top. Carefully. The base is done.
And now?
And now we're going to draw.
Oh, that's unexpected.
This is the part we're going to need. You can't draw it with a ruler.
Oh, it's for the side holders, right?
That's right. We are going to need 4 parts. Hey, I said 4 parts. Done.
Wow, you're really good at this.
Thanks, Sammy. I'm doing my best. Right, let's glue 2 side parts together. And then onto the base. And we'll add a strip of cardboard on top. 1 and 2. The part is ready.
Susie! Is it time for the pictures yet?
Yes, Sammy, it is, because we can't go on without them. So, to make an animation out of pictures, you need to select a fragment of a video that can be repeated over and over. Animation is made of pictures that change each other. Usually there are 24 frames in 1 second, but it'll be enough to have 12 frames per second for our machine.
By frames, do you mean pictures?
Yes, that's right. The video we're going to be showing in our machine lasts for about 3 seconds, and we'll need 40 pictures for it.
40 pictures? Looks like animating is a very difficult job.
Do you want to become an animator, Sammy?
Well, I thought about it.
Then keep watching. To make our pictures turn over automatically, we need to assemble them in a special way. I'll use these 3 pictures as an example. We need to connect the top of the picture with the bottom of the previous frame, like this. I'll tape them together. And voila! When we flip them, they're going to make the correct frame.
Do we need to cut all the pictures like this and switch them?
Yes. But not with scissors and tape, but with Photoshop or any other suitable computer program. Come on!
So interesting! I can't wait to see this pile of pictures start moving!
Patience, my friend. We need to insert the skewers you brought into them. Look, we'll apply some glue on the upper part of the picture. Then, place a skewer in. And fold them in half carefully. And we get this rotating frame. We need to do the same with the rest of the pictures.
Charge! What a pile! How do we attach it to the animation machine?
We'll need wheels for that. Let's draw a circle, 4.5 centimeters in diameter. Now let's measure 4 centimeters and draw another circle, a smaller one. It'll be a guideline. Then, we need to measure half a centimeter and make holes with the help of the compass, half a centimeter apart from each other, along the guideline. In the end, we'll get 40 holes, which matches the number
of the frames we've prepared!
That's right, Sammy! There should be a hole in the middle too, like the one on the sides. We need to make 4 parts like this. And glue them together in 2s. Oh, no, Sammy, I'm sorry, but a straw can't support this structure.
Well, fine.
We need this kind of tube. Let's insert it into the opening and put the wheels on. I've cut 2 small wheels to secure the structure. Oh, it's coming out so great! And we'll need a handle for convenience. It's made of these parts. Boom! Done! We'll attach it to our machine. It works!
It works, but it doesn't show anything.
Yep, now we need to insert the frames we've prepared into the openings on the wheels.
Keep working and I'll go get some popcorn.
Ah, this is very monotonous work, but it has to be done very carefully. The pictures should be attached one over the other from the first to the last.
I'm ready to watch! Oh. 1 moment. Action! Susie, now I do believe that there aren't any special effects in this, only hard work.
As in any interesting job, Sammy.
Listen, what if I want to make a longer animation?
Well, the machine has to be bigger.
Oh.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you like this video and share it with your friends. Bye-bye! Guys, Sam and I have already started shooting our next video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button not to miss it.